Well, we gave it a go with the angle grinder. Doesn't quite seem like the right tool for the job, so we're going to try the old Sawzall. See what kind of destruction we get here. At least, let's see, these picks are pretty sharp yet, but oh yeah, that's making its bitch out of it. Demonetized. Ejecto. Come on. Get. There we go. All right. There's a lot of good picks in that track. Yeah, but track is junk, obviously. The lug's missing everywhere. Totally dry rotted. So yeah, we'll salvage what we can. Yeah, others seem good there, so maybe the skid is savable. Yeah, we'll get out of there and see what else we got for carnage on this turd. Alright, so since the last video, the initial video, we got a few things accomplished here. Got the skis off it, obviously. This spindle looks good. Skis are total trash, obviously, so we're going to pitch those. I had to pull this spindle off. Ran into a little snafu with the spindle. Here's the spindle here. Everything looks like it's in good repair, but the bolt was seized in here, and the sleeve is also seized in the spindle. I drilled it out, hoping that this sleeve would free up. Haven't had any luck getting it out of there yet. Tried pressing it out with the 20-ton press. Tried putting some heat to it, pounding. Nothing yet. So, might need a new spindle. I don't know, I might have some in the stash. So we'll see. Dug into some stuff under the hood. I peeled the carbs out. Went through those. They look really clean. I just verified all the passageways and jets are all clear. I threw a good used choke cable on off an SPX Ultra. I need a nut to hold that in place yet, but got it running. Runs pretty good. Not a fan of the stock 3-into-1. Hopefully find a set of triple pipes for it eventually here. Coming on the other side, I got a freshly rebuilt clutch on here. Rod Spindler out of Wisconsin did this clutch for me. Guy's a genius. He does some awesome work. Obviously, you can see the thing looks like it's brand new. So, and I expect that's going to work like it's brand new. So, should be good there. So, we're making a little bit of progress. Just cut the track off the machine. The track's tough junk, so I didn't even bother unbolting it. We just sliced it off. As far as the snow flat, I don't know what whoever previously owned this had for hardware sitting in their garage, but it has flathead screws holding it on place instead of rivets, and on the back side there are square nuts, like unbelievable square nuts. What is this, 1940? Like, get this shit out of here. We're not using those. We'll peel this off here, get rid of all this junk hardware from the World War II era, or maybe even pre that. I don't know. It's total garbage. We'll put some proper rivets in here and we get this all back together. Well, I'm not exactly sure how they got these fasteners in here, but I think I got a plan to get them out of there. Grab this extendo cock here and lock her in. Let's see. So, might get lucky here. There, all types are rusty, but I really don't care if they snap off. We'll start with this one. This one's easy to get to. There we go. A good purchase on that one. See if we can't strip this fastener out here. Oh no, she come right off. Fuck that thing. Get it out of there. Alright, so we'll get the rest of these out of here, get the snow flap off, and we'll move on to probably peeling the hood off. All right, well, we got all the fasteners out. Still a nice snowplow. We'll reuse that for sure. All right, cool. Damn, these suckers are tight. There we go, she's coming. Nice and easy. So we get the Spindle cable off here. That baby is freaking seized on there. Man. Oh, got it. Just need a little coaxing. Okay. Now we'll pull this back. Feed the cables through. We'll get this hood off of here. Got it. There we go. One rusty nose cone. So back here at the 96 Ultra, since looks like we got the exhaust off of here, muffler, and the expansion chamber, peeled that off. I did find this in the chassis though, not mine. See that? 10 millimeter. These things, this is where they all go apparently, is into the front of Ultra chassis. So I've lost a lot of 10 millimeters over the years, so I got one back right now. Worth the 150 bucks I paid for this. So got the hood off, nose cones out of there. Let's see, what else we got done? Yeah, we got the exhaust off. We're just getting ready here to drop the skid. So I got 2 bolts out on the one side. Take the big Makita 1/2-inch Ugga Dugga. See if we can't do some damage here and drop this baby out of here. Let's see. Probably, yeah, we'll just let her eat. She's gonna come down hard. Oh, gotta get some more perch. Oh. I'll see if that's enough fight. Oh, we got it. There we go. It actually seems to roll free. What we got for? Probably end up having to replace all these idling. Oh, that one is not. That one's not happy. Nope. That one needs some love. These other ones feel pretty tight. That one still sucks. Just checked it. Sucks again. Let's see here. That one's a little rough, but it spins. That one's a little growly. That one sounds like a baby tiger. That one's not good. Let's see. Probably replace that one. Well, most of the idler wheels are good. If you look at these Hi-Fax here, them suckers are shot. There's nothing left of those. So we're gonna need to replace those for sure. Let's see, is this torque arm? What kind of shape is that? Is it cracked? Come down here. These love to split right here. Right here. And down here. If you ride them hard like I do, they break. Actually, I don't think it's bent. Doesn't look like it's had any grease recently, but it's all there. Not a terrible skid overall, Fox shocks. So, yeah, might be usable.